Hey guys, thank you so much for your purchase of your Air Selfie Air PIX. Let's get started. So what you're going to do is you're going to take out your first light guide located in your packaging. What that will do is it'll actually prompt you to download the app from the Air Selfie app from the iOS store or Android store. Once you've done that, you're going to open up your app and you're going to turn on your Air PIX, and you're going to want to hold that button down for about 2 to 3 seconds. Once you've done that, you'll see that blue light start to flash on the front. Next, you're going to open up your app. You're going to see that select an Air Selfie. You're going to hit Air PIX, connect. And this will actually prompt you to open up your settings. So what you'll do is you'll go into your settings of your phone. It'll take you to the Wi-Fi, and what you'll see is that Air PIX with that little 4-digit code after. You're going to hit that, and then you'll actually return to the app. What you'll do there is wait for it to connect. You'll see the calibrate on the home page right there, and what that'll do is it'll actually just smooth out the flight and make the overall experience just better, smoother, and you'll get better pictures. So you're going to hit that calibrate button, let it run. It'll take about 2 seconds. You're done. And what you're actually going to do next is you're going to go to your camera function. So once you do that, you'll see there's 2 different functions. You have manual and autofly. I'm actually going to demonstrate an autofly today because it is just the coolest thing ever. It's super easy. And it's just a great way to capture your selfies. So what you're going to do is after you've opened up Autofly, you'll see that there's a little square icon at the bottom right there with a little 2 next to it. And what that actually is how many pictures it's going to take. So I'm going to do 2 pictures for this, but you can take 2, 3, or 5. What you'll do next is you'll actually hit this play button, and what will happen is it'll fly about 4 feet in front of you, take a selfie or a picture, come back. And this is using facial recognition. So what you want to make sure is that you have good light facing you and on your face. If the light is behind you, what will actually happen is that there will be almost like a little silhouette covering your face. And what that will do is it'll actually prevent the camera from finding your face, locking on and taking a picture. So what will happen instead is it'll gently just lower itself to the ground. Again, you want to make sure that you have that light facing you right on front so that it can capture your face, and then it can capture your photos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate this, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to go to your camera, autofly, and I'm going to get positioned here. What you're going to do is you're going to hold it up, hit the play button, little toss forward. Okay, it'll lock onto your face. Take a picture. Take 2. And then when it's done, it'll return to you. How cool is that? That is just the most basic function that we have, and that is called the Autofly Mode. It's one of my personal favorites, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. What you'll do next is you'll actually see in the corner your images are downloading. So what you'll do is you'll go to your gallery. If you go back to your home page, you'll see you'll see home, camera, and gallery. You're going to hit gallery, and what that'll actually do is it'll show you the photos that you took. So I've got some here. And what that did is it went out, took 2 photos, and then returned to me. And again, it's using that facial recognition. I hope this was helpful in some way to get you guys started. I'll make some more videos down the line, but until then, enjoy.